Mudikondan Kodandarama Temple located in Tiruvarur district, Tamil Nadu, dedicated to Lord Rama, the seventh avatar of Lord Vishnu. There is an idol of Rama in the Sanctum Sanctorum and a shrine to Hanuman outside the Sanctum Sanctorum. The temple is associated with the hermitage of the sage Bharadwaja. The village has received the name Magudavardhanapuri, directly translated in Tamil as Mudikondan, meaning the place of coronation. Lord Rama gave darshan to sage Bharadwaja as king of Ayodhya, giving the village its name. After Rama's departure from Ayodhya to take on the forest life as Pitruvakya Paripalana Dharma, obeying the command of father, Sri Rama visited the hermitage of sage Bharadwaja on his way. When the sage offered him a feast, Sri Rama respectfully declined to accept the offer as he was on a mission then and promised to accept it on his return to Ayodhya. On his return after the Ravana Vada, while returning to Ayodhya, the Pushpaga Vimana landed at the sage's ashram. When sage Bharadwaja offered the dinner, Sri Rama said that he had to perform the puja to Lord Sri Ranganatha before the feast. The sage installed Sri Ranganatha as desired by Rama. Rama accepted the feast after worshipping his Kuladevada Sri Ranganatha. Here Rama gave darshan to the sage in coronation form with crown mudi in Tamil. At this place, even before the official coronation at Ayodhya later. Hence, the place came to be known as Mudikondan. Rama in this temple is also known as Mudikonda Ramar. Valmiki Ramayanam Yuddha Kandam, 124th Sargam first poem, directly refers to the Lord Rama's landing at this village, referred as the Bharadwaja Ashram. As a living proof, the village is still inhabited by direct descendants of sage Bharadwaja. Generally, Rama temples are built facing south as Vibhishana from Lanka always wanted to have the darshan of Lord Rama according to scriptures. But here, the temple is facing east as he gave the darshan to sage Bharadwaja with Mother Sita and Lakshmana in his coronation form. However, Lord Sri Ranganatha installed by sage Bharadwaja is facing south to grace Vibhishana. Sri Hanuman has his shrine opposite to the Lord. The Tirtha tank is behind Hanuman's shrine. The temple is believed to have come into being even before the times of Alvars. Rama is very beautifully made with his neck and hip bending with his kodandam and arrow in hand. This temple is one of the Pancharama Kshetrams and considered the foremost among the 5 temples. Pancha means 5 and Kshetrams refers to holy places. All the 5 temples are situated in Tiruvarur district, Tamil Nadu. Sri Kodandarama Temple, Mudikondan. Sri Kodandarama Temple, Adambar. Sri Ramar Temple, Parutiyur. Sri Kodandarama Temple, Tillai Vilaga. Sri Kodandarama Temple, Vaduvur. Separate temple for Hanuman. Sri Rama sent Sri Anjaneya to meet Bharata and inform him that he was en route to Ayodhya to prevent Bharata from taking any extreme step as the 14 years time limit for his return was nearing then. Sri Anjaneya did his mission perfectly in time and returned to the Lord. He learned that the Lord had finished his lunch before his return, was annoyed and felt that he was neglected. Anjaneya therefore did not enter into the ashram and simply stayed outside. Sri Rama cooled down Hanuman, offering half of his banquet to him. This is attributed to Hanuman's absence in the Sanctum Sanctorum as he was angry with Rama and has a separate shrine opposite to him. Jai Shri Ram.